Hey everyone, it's Martin Ross and Happy New Year to you all. So today we're going to be learning by ton of requests, Emotions by Roger Troutman. Before we get into it, please support the channel by hitting the subscribe button and clicking the bell. Also, most important, hitting that like button. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. Also, share this video to someone you think that might like it. Please check out all the links in the description. I am an artist. I do make music and I have a sound library. So check that out. So without further ado, let's get into learning Emotions by Roger Troutman. All right. So for Emotions by Roger Troutman, I'm playing this in G sharp major or A flat major, whichever you prefer. They are inharmonic. They mean the same. The notes are G sharp, A flat, B flat, A sharp, C, D flat, C sharp, E flat, D sharp, F, G, G sharp. So the main part, obviously, is the emotions hook. That's what I'm going to go off of, and it's going to go like this. Emotions I feel. Just hold that note. Emotions are real. You are my love. So the notes that I used there was G sharp. I'm going to go again. I'm calling this off of the G sharp scale. So G sharp, A sharp, C, C sharp, and D sharp. All right. So there's some parts in the middle of the verses. I'm just going to do quickly the ad-libs. And it's only the three notes, which is going to be your G sharp, A sharp, and C. And really, that's most of the song. So now, before we end this again, if you're watching this, please hit that subscribe, hit the like, leave me a comment, and also share that video. With that, the next part is going to be the verse follows. So I'm just going to go off the verse 1 because the verse 2, it's literally the same notes. So you're going to go like this. You're going to use the same notes that you essentially use for the hook. We're really just going to be focusing around the G sharp, A sharp, C, D sharp, and C sharp, and the D sharp notes here. No words can make me feel you love the way you do. Ooh, I'm in love with you. All right, so that's that first part. And then the second part. Why I feel this way. Girl, it's my emotions that make me feel this way. And then you're going to go into the hook that we already did. So the last part, the very last part is just you and me. We're just going to use the octaves of G sharp, A sharp, and C. And then we're going to go up that octaves. So it's going to go just you and me, just you and me, just me and you, just me and you. And essentially, if you follow those keys, you'll be great. It's a really fun song to play. And that's going to be it. It's really simple. I know this was a short video, but I do ask that you please support me by subscribing, clicking the bell, hitting the like button, commenting. Let me know what you think. Also, sharing the video. And also, again, check out the description. I am an artist. I do make music. And I do have music and a sound library to check out. So check out those links in the description. If you have any questions, again, leave them in the comments. This was Martin Ross teaching you Emotions by Roger Troutman. Thank you.